Hey, social media fan. Here I am again, your Jane AI. In this tutorial, I'll show you the first steps you need to take to get everything running smoothly and to your satisfaction. If you're new here and eager to get started right away, you might notice a few small hurdles. But don't worry, you'll overcome them with ease. Of course, socialXpert doesn't know you yet and doesn't know what it should do for you. That's why you'll need to sign in with your accounts and pages first. Does that sound complicated? Don't worry, we've made it super easy for you. In the appropriate login window, you can enter all the necessary details. Let's start with Facebook. That way, we'll get the most challenging part out of the way first. When you open the window, you'll notice that we need more than just your account and password. Why? It's simple. Many users have more than one Facebook account and also manage business pages. Since not every post should be published everywhere, socialXpert allows you to access and manage your pages directly. Step-by-step guide. Signing into your account. Let's get started. 1. Email and password. Enter the email address you use for Facebook and your password. Don't worry, your data is safe. Everything is stored locally on your computer, nothing is uploaded to the cloud or shared online. 2. Account name. Next, enter the name of your account. 3. Account ID. Now, we just need the account ID. Don't panic. It's easier than it sounds. Open your Facebook account in Chrome. Click on your profile picture at the top right. Select your account. Click your profile picture again and go to Settings and AMP Privacy. Choose Settings and then Account Center on the left. Under Profiles, find your Facebook profile and click on it. At the top, you'll see a 15-digit number in the address bar. That's your account ID. Highlight the number, right-click to copy it, and paste it into the corresponding field. That's it. Now socialXpert has access to your account. Moving on to business pages. If you manage multiple pages, you'll need to fill out a separate line for each one, including the name and ID. How do you find the page ID? It's simple. Click your profile picture and select the desired page. Go to Profile and click the About button. Select Page Transparency, and you'll see the page ID. Copy the number and paste it into the appropriate field. Got multiple pages? No problem, just repeat the process for each one. See? That wasn't so hard, was it? Now, you've successfully connected socialXpert to your Facebook account and pages. Compared to this, all the other settings are a piece of cake. Other poster settings. All the other poster settings are much simpler and self-explanatory. For Instagram, we've also added the option to manage multiple accounts. One specific setting I'd like to point out is the General Settings section, which you'll find under the poster settings. These fields are automatically generated by the program and should generally be correct. However, since many users have more than one Google account, you can customize the account here. By default, or Profile 1 is used. If you want to use a different account, simply overwrite the default value. Most of the time, the default settings are already correct.